Walk as if you are kissing the earth with your feet. Sometimes your joy is the source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy. To be beautiful means to be yourself. You don't need to be accepted by others. You need to accept yourself. Letting go gives us freedom, and freedom is the only condition for happiness. If, in our heart, we still cling to anything, anger, anxiety, or possessions, we cannot be free. In our daily life, we can smile. If we can be peaceful and happy, not only we, but everyone will profit from it. This is the most basic kind of peace work. Feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor. Many people think excitement is happiness, but when you are excited, you are not peaceful. True happiness is based on peace. The seed of suffering in you may be strong, but don't wait until you have no more suffering before allowing yourself to be happy. If you love someone, but rarely make yourself available to him or her, that is not true love. Root out the violence in your life and learn to live compassionately and mindfully. Seek peace. When you have peace within, real peace with others is possible. My actions are my only true belongings. Hope is important because it can make the present moment less difficult to bear. If we believe that tomorrow will be better, we can bear a hardship today. Drink your tea slowly and reverently, as if it is the axis on which the world Earth revolves. Slowly, evenly, without rushing toward the future. Life is available only in the present moment. Keeping your body healthy is an expression of gratitude to the whole cosmos. The trees, the clouds, everything. The wave does not need to die to become water. She is already water. In mindfulness, one is not only restful and happy, but alert and awake. Meditation is not evasion. It is a serene encounter with reality. The most precious gift we can offer anyone is our attention. When mindfulness embraces those we love, they will bloom like flowers. In true dialogue, both sides are willing to change. Anxiety, the illness of our time, comes primarily from our inability to dwell in the present moment. Being rich is an obstacle to loving. When you are rich, you want to continue to be rich, and so you end up devoting all your time, all your energy in your daily life to stay rich. There is no enlightenment outside of daily life. When another person makes you suffer, it is because he suffers deeply within himself, and his suffering is spilling over. He does not need punishment, he needs help. That's the message he is sending. The best way to take care of the future is to take care of the present moment. Most people are afraid of suffering, but suffering is a kind of mud to help the lotus flower of happiness grow. There can be no lotus flower without the mud. A true partner or friend is one who encourages you to look deep inside yourself for the beauty and love you've been seeking. I clean this teapot with the kind of attention I would have were I giving the baby Buddha or Jesus a bath. When a person's speech is full of anger, it is because he or she suffers deeply. We have a lamp inside us. The oil of that lamp is our breathing, our steps, and our peaceful smile. Our practice is to light up the lamp. The most precious inheritance that parents can give their children is their own happiness.